Hi, I'm Manisha and I'm here today to teach you some basic poses that you can do anytime and also on your mat to get rid of any kind of posture issues. So usually what we do is we sit down like this and keep looking at our cell phones, or we type like this where our shoulders are really rolled in, and then we get this neck issue, we get the shoulder problems, we also get a lower back problem. And that's why I'm here to really help you get rid of them through the day and also when you have time to do it on your mat. So we'll be doing very basic, easy poses that can be done even on the go. So join me because I know what it feels to be really working through the day on a computer. So I'm also sitting on the computer most of the time, and that's why we really need to release those stressed out muscles in our neck and shoulders. So first one is really easy stretch that you can do anytime, even while you're working. So for this, wherever you are, it doesn't matter, you don't need a mat for this. You can be on your desk, your chair, and all I want you to do is take this 5-second break. All you need to do is breathe in, really open your shoulders. So I'm doing an exaggerated version. You could just do something as basic as this. So we're trying to really open the shoulders so that our neck opens up and also our chest opens up so we can breathe better. When we are under stress, we don't breathe very well. So all I want you to do is breathe in, open, and really expand your chest cavity. You can bring a smile, that really helps. Exhale, pull it all in. And now really pull the shoulder blades away from each other so that you can feel that opening in the back. Do this a couple more times. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale, and come back when you're ready. So this one is very simple and it'll actually instantly give you that boost of better breath when you're not stressed and when you're breathing from your belly, which is how we're supposed to breathe as humans. The next one I want you to do is something for your sides of the neck. When you feel a lot of tension, you feel that you have a weight of the world on your shoulders. So for this, take one hand out, place it outside. Now make sure the heel of your palm is pointing down, and take the head to the other side, opposite ear to the shoulders, and just stay here. Just breathe here. If you want to go deeper, you can take the other hand and really help stretch those tense muscles. Do this a couple of times. It doesn't look odd. I know you'll be like, everybody's watching, so close your eyes if you want, and you can do it any time of the day. And let's do it the other side. Hold it for about 10 seconds to 15 seconds each side, making sure the arm is really straight, your elbow is straight, and then gentle pressure on your head and stretch. Next one that we're going to do is on the mat. So when you go back home or when you have time, you can do it just before your bed, or you could do it early in the morning. For that, you come on all fours, which is, we're going to do Marjariasana. Marjariasana is cat and cow pose. Your palms are right under your shoulders, your knees are right under your hips. Come into a flat back position, head in line. You will inhale, tailbone up, look up. Exhale, pull it all in, tailbone in, stuck the belly in, and knee and your chin to your throat. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale, and come back to neutral. So do about 15 of these to start with, and then you can slowly bring it into practice. The second one that we're going to do on the mat, which is amazing for your overall posture. You want to sit tall when you're sitting. You also want your spine to be really long and straight. So for this one, we will do something called rock the baby, which is great for your hip flexors. That's the muscle that you really weaken as you sit for longer periods of time. So take one leg, place it into your arm, and like you hold a baby. So just hold a leg like a baby. So give it that much love like you're holding a baby, and just rock the baby. So rocking the baby is an amazing way to open up your hip flexors. If you feel tight in your lower back, most likely your front of the body is tight, and this really helps with open the front and the back. So your spine will be really straight. In case you can't reach that much, so you can just hold it here too. So because I know everybody's at a different flexibility, so you don't have to wrap it around. This is okay, this is okay, just holding it is okay. So it depends on where you are in your practice. Do this for about 20 seconds to 30 seconds every day, and you'll see massive changes within a month. So do it one side, and we always do it the other side. So you have two babies, which are your legs, which actually help support your spine and really make it standing straight and tall, giving your spine strength and also really feeling flexible. So you don't feel old and you actually grow younger every day because your spine is strong and straight. So do it both sides. Again, it depends where you are. Just do it this way, whatever feels good. So there is no forcing of any pose. You should feel good whenever you're doing it. So continue with that and relax. Thank you for joining us. अगर ये आपको वीडियो पसंद आया so please subscribe करें and of course like करें and share करें. And in case आपको पता है कि आपको next क्या देखना है, what do you want us to share, please put that in the comments. Thank you for joining us on Trends 9.